No dia 19 de outubro de 79, quando eu comecei, apenas com uma perua Kombi, com aquela luta, aquela ganância, aquela vontade de conseguir chegar lá.
When you try your best but you don't succeed, when you get what you want but not what you need, when you feel so tired but you can't sleep, stuck in rivers, and the tears come streaming down your face, when you lose something you can't replace, when you love someone but it goes to waste, could it be worse? Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you. High up above or down below, when you're too in love to let it go, but if you never try you'll never know just what you worth. Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you.
Eu quero deixar um agradecimento de coração, um abraço a todos aqueles que fizeram dessa empresa uma grande empresa. E vamos continuar crescendo cada vez mais.